Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. Do you party like we do, where you just completely destroy the kitchen and someone needs to clean it up? Mr. Clean to the rescue. The original foam pads have come in handy. Let me show you what it does to a place like this. Great for washing everything. We use this on light switches, counters, cabinets. Simple and easy, very soft foam pads. They really work well for scuffs of all kinds. It's seriously something I use everywhere. I like to dip it in a little vinegar and clean my light fixtures for a streak-free and also a fuzz-free clean. There's no fibers left over like when you clean with a rag. So nothing left behind, nice and clean. They're tough on dirt and anything that kids put their grubby little hands on. Walls, bathtubs, light switches, and we also use this on our shoes to quickly return them to new looking. It's great for all surfaces. It's a set of 6, so you have more than enough to take care of whatever needs that you have. As you can see, they work well, they hold up well, and it's something that we always keep on hand at our home. That's my point of view.